Ha?
Smile lang.
Ay, smile lang. Nga, smile? Wow! Good. Where's your teeth? Wow! Hi ka nga ng Little Miss Philippines? Wow naman! Ay, paano yung pa-cute? Pa-cute? Ganon ka nga. Nak! Teka. Anong English sa mahal kita? Ha? Ano English sa mahal kita? No. Sa inibang dali. Record to. Record.
Ang tapos.
Ito nga tapos. Teka, sa inibang. What is your mommy's name?
Ate.
No. What is your mommy's name? Mommy's name?
Gina.
Daddy's name?
Ate.
Inay's name?
Baby.
Your brother's name?
Already.
Ay, what is your name?
Celebon.
Villanueva?
Gonzales.
How old are you?
Two.
2. Paano yun 2? Paano yun 2? Ha? Tugay.
Sing, microphone niya. Sing.
Ay, oh. Nga, ka nga. Microphone daw yan. Dali.
Sing. Uy, nilaw.
Sige, sing.
Sing. Ay, wala ilapat sa mouth. No, okay. Ayaw. Gusto dati.
Harap. Ano pa?
ABC. No, sir.
Ulit.
Ulit.
Ulit. ABCD mo na.
Walang may serious na pagsalpot.
Madali. Singkaw na ABCD.
Kanina na ay pinala ko yung ano. Pinaka niya nilagod.
Ang kalat.
Sing. Oh, standard.
Singkaw mo na ABCD.
O, para si Sarah.
Simala. Singkaw mo na ABCD. Dali.
O, para si Sarah. O, sing.
A, B, C. Q, R, S. At paano yung ganun sa Ineban? Nga. Sa Ineban. Sa Ineban. Ayun pa ganun? Sa Ineban.
No, my ABC. Next time.
Ano sa note?
Sing ka nga ng papaya. Nga. Sing. Ay paano paano naman yung roll over the ocean?
Paniling yan.
Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. I don't like hulog, hulog. Anong gusto mong sing?
Smile, ano ba yung smile?
Smile, a never-lasting smile.
Hindi, dapat lang yung may peace.
Ha? If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know and your face it truly show. If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know you say daddy. If you're happy and you know you say mommy. If you're happy and you know and your face it truly show. If you're happy and you know you say inay. If you're happy and you know you kiss daddy. Kiss. Hindi ka nag-kiss. If you're happy and you know you stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know and your face is truly show. If you're happy and you know you clap your feet. Clap your feet. Oh. Stop na, stop na.